Good. Let's just copy this yield and place one in grenade explosion function. Okay. And then let's instantiate the explosion. So we want to say var grenade explosion clone, and it's going to be to instantiate. So instantiate open bracket what we want to instantiate, and that's our bomb, so the grenade, and I called it grenade object if I'm correct. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's right there. And then we want to position this at grenade holder, which we haven't made yet, but we'll do it at the very end. Dot transform dot position. Oh no, sorry, we're doing that wrong. We want to position this at the cloned object itself. So we're going to say game object dot find open bracket close bracket speech marks. We're going to look for grenade underscore fab, the prefab we made, open bracket close bracket, and inside this we're going to put clone, and then we're going to position the explosion on its transform. So transform dot position, comma, you can pretty much copy this line and paste that there. I'll separate that, it's going to go beyond the screen, and change the last one to rotation. Closing bracket, closing semicolon. And then we're going to say destroy open bracket close bracket, and I'm going to destroy this explosion after 3 seconds. So I'm going to say grenade explosion clone, comma 3 seconds into it, and then after that blow it up. Alright, so that's the grenade explosion function done, and we have to now code the main function itself. So the first thing we have to do is tell the script where the direction is going to be going for the grenade, and obviously it's going to be in the forward direction. So let's do that first. So we're going to say grenade direction is going to be equals to, oh, for heaven's sake, it's going to be equals to now that's what it's going to do, grenade holder transform direction open bracket close bracket vector 3 dot forward. Alright, that's that. Save that. Then we're gonna make the bomb itself, so we're gonna instantiate that. So we're gonna say var grenade clone and equals instantiate open bracket. What do we want to instantiate? The grenade. Oh, hold on a second. Did I put the right one for the explosion? No, I didn't. We want to make the grenade explosion. Sorry about that. I wasn't paying attention there. Grenade explosion. Alright, save that. Let's go back up. And we go over here. So we want to instantiate the grenade object. Alright, comma, the transform position is going to be based on the grenade holder. Grenade holder dot transform dot position, comma, you can copy that line again, paste it there, and change that last one to rotation. Alright, close that off, and for the final bit, we're going to tell the grenade to destroy itself, so destroy grenade clone after 5.2 seconds. 5.2. And then we're going to call this function over here, so it instantiates the explosion, and then the sound one, which is grenade sound second. Paste that there, semicolon, close those both. Brilliant. Now we need to set the key for the grenade. So what key can we press to throw it? Now let's scroll up and look for this part, and we're going to say if open bracket close bracket open curly brace close curly brace gun select manager equals gun manager dot grenade come on. There we go. Then we can do something. Then I'm going to say if open bracket close bracket open curly brace close curly brace, if the grenade timer is equal to 0, so if it's 0 we can do something. Then I'm going to say if open bracket close bracket open curly brace close curly brace, if input dot get mouse button, I'm going to use the mouse button to check the grenade, open bracket close bracket 0, which is the right key, and we have enough grenades, so I'm going to say number of grenades. So to 0 grenades it won't do nothing. That function won't work because it needs at least 1 to 3 grenades, or 2 or 1 in order to work. So once we've done that, we're gonna call the throw grenade function in this one. So I'm gonna say throw grenade open bracket close bracket semicolon, save your script, and then finally we're gonna say grenade timer equals grenade cooler. Alright, good. Now there's one problem left. The grenades are not minusing yet. So go back into, where is it? Nope, keep going down, keep going down. Throw a grenade, and just before it instantiates, we're gonna -1. So every time it's called, I'm just gonna put it here. I'm gonna say number of grenades minus equals 1. Save that. Go back up. We've got one more thing to do. Go into the awake function. You want to copy this line. You want to paste it here. You want to change that to grenade. And leave those two false. That's it. And I think we're pretty much done actually. Just double checking in case I've missed anything. I don't think I have. Let's go in Unity and see what happens now. Alright, super. Nothing's missing. So let's attach the missing components. Grenade object is a grenade fab. Grenade audio is the same as this one. Well, let me see if I can find a different one. Hold on. Nah, I like the one I was using before. Yeah. Alright, back to the script. Let's attach that sound to this one. The explosion is exactly the same as this one, so that goes into that. Now we need to add the final thing, the grenade holder. So where it's going to instantiate from. So I'm just going to quickly make a new empty game object. I'm gonna position that over here. I'm gonna drag it up. I'm gonna bring it somewhere around here. I'm gonna go on the Z-axis, see how far up that is. Perfect, that's fine for me. I'm gonna rename this object to grenade throw. That's where it's gonna be thrown from. And then attach it to the main camera, and we should be done. Run the game. First of all, I'm gonna select my main script, and then if I press the fourth key, it should be equal to grenade. If I press my right mouse button, it should then throw the grenade on the screen. Let's see what happens. The variable grenade holder or ratio has not been assigned. Oh, something is missing. Oops, I feel like an idiot right now. I never assigned that. You want to drag grenade throw into grenade holder. Let me actually call it grenade holder. Save that. Now try it. I'm just going to select my main camera and make sure that changes. Alright, so I can press 2, goes into hand, 3 into C4, 4 into grenade. Alright, good. So, does it work? Yes, it does. But where is it gone? I actually didn't add one thing. I just forgot about. I just remembered that actually. We didn't add the force to it, so it wasn't flying away.